be doing a Hyderabad haul. I went to Hyderabad yesterday for the Nykaa Takes Hyderabad event. I had a meet and greet there, so I took this suitcase with me. It's a cabin size baggage, but I really did not need it, so I just took it, just in case. And you guys filled it with gifts. Unboxing a video of these gifts, and I'll be going through each and every one of them. First things first, I got this beautiful bouquet. I'm sorry I don't know your name, but I'll insert your photograph. I love roses. Thank you so much. These are beautiful. I have them in a vase and I put them in my drawing room for everyone to see. I'll open it up. Let me see what's inside. Oh, it's a beautiful photo frame. It's plain glass, and I'll definitely put in a photograph or something, and I'll put it up. It also has its own stand and everything. I'll definitely put this up in my room. I love photo frames. Thank you so much, Amber. Then we have this box here from Hiranmay. I hope I'm pronouncing your names right. If I'm not, please forgive me. So yes, we have this box from Hiranmay. Let me just open. I'm so excited to see all of these gifts, man. Like, I am a kid right now. Thank you so much for bringing these in. These weren't required, but you still did, and it just means so much to me. So, oh my gosh, it's a Starbucks cup. And I love coffee, so this is great. Plus winter's coming up, so it's gonna be even great because in winters we have hot coffee. So it's just so cute. Thank you so much, Hiranmay. I love this cup. Like, you guys know me. I didn't have time to shop in Hyderabad. I just went to Karachi Bakery. And I don't even need to go to shopping in Hyderabad because you guys already got me everything that I love. So thank you so much. Alright, then we have this box right here, and it also has a tiny little card. So let me just go through that. It's a cute little card from Faiza. Thank you so much, Faiza. I'm not going to read it in front of you guys because it's like personal and it's from me. So thank you so much, Faiza. It really means a lot to me. Whatever you've written, it's beautiful. So yeah, and I love you. You already know that, but I love you. So I'm going to open the gift. Beautiful idol of goddess Lakshmi. Thank you so much, Faiza. This is so beautiful. Plus Diwali is coming up. This is just so beautiful. Such a nice gift. Thank you so much. I love it. Like, I'm not saying I love it just for the sake of it. I genuinely love it. I'm definitely gonna include this in my DIY Diwali room decor that I will be doing soon. So I will definitely include this. This is so pretty. Then we have this handbag right here. Hopefully it has a name inside. I'm just gonna take out whatever it has. Oh my gosh, it has a card which has been scribbled upon really nicely, and it says a lot of things like full face of first impression, unboxing, OOTD, hashtag GRWM. This is just so cool. Divalog, LA, NYX, everything. It's really personalized, and I love personalized things. And it also says the amount of subscribers I had on this particular day. It's a congratulations card, and it has a beautiful letter inside which I've already read. Again, it's for me. It's very personal. And there's another sweet little letter. It's very personal to me. And it's from Nikita. Thank you so much, Nikita. I love personalized cards, and it just means so much to me that you guys take out so much time from your daily lives and do things like these. This is what counts, guys. Like, thank you so much. I'm so happy today. And then there are also these things with it. So I'll just open this up, and my voice is completely gone because I was speaking so much yesterday. So there's a beautiful pair of earrings, and they're like owl earrings. And as I said, you guys already know what I like. So owl earrings, they're really cute. Really cute. Nikita, thank you, girl. And then there's this thing right here. I'm gonna open this up. So these are badges, and these are so cute. So one of them says, I can't keep calm because Wi-Fi is slow, which is the story of my life. And they're just so cute. Thank you, Nikita. I have nothing like this, and I love it. Then I have this gift which says SJ here and it says fave YouTuber here. This is so cute. Let me open it up. Oh my gosh, it's from Karachi Bakery. I went to Karachi Bakery as well, and I did get these same fruit biscuits for myself. I'm so happy. I have another box of this now. Thank you so much, but you haven't written your name. I don't know who's given this to me. If you're seeing this, please comment below if you've given this to me. Thank you so much. I will definitely, eat it with all my heart. Then we have this pretty box here. So let me just open it up. Oh my gosh, this is Belgian chocolate and I love chocolate. You guys know I love chocolate. You guys know me so well. Oh my gosh, this smells heavenly. Thank you so much for these chocolates, but I don't know your name, but I love you. Mwah. Then I have this heart-shaped box which is from Rihanna. Thank you, Rihanna. More chocolates! Thank you, Rihanna. I love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. Mwah. Then we have this cute little box from Shruti, Mranmay and Hiranmay. Let me open. It's a pretty gold bracelet. I love such bracelets. And it's just very pretty. I'm going to style this soon, you girls. Then I have this beautiful package thing here with the letter on top. Love the letter. It's from Sahiba. Thank you, Sahiba, and happy birthday in advance. So I'm going to open this up now. It's a beautiful top by the Vanka. It's plain on the front with pearl detailings here, and it has lace at the back. Thank you so much for this top. Again, I'm going to style it real soon. Oh, it has a slit at the back actually. Makes it even cooler. Then I have another box of chocolates. You guys pamper me so much and I love it. This is from Sindhura. I can't read properly, so I'm really sorry if it's wrong, but thank you so much for giving me these chocolates. My gym instructor hates you, but I love you. Then next we have this polythene, and inside this there's also a letter. You guys know I love handwritten letters. And this is just so sweet. You have no idea how much I love letters. This is from Leela. And she knows Hindi better than Telugu. All the Telugu should be her mother tongue. I remember you, obviously. And this again is personal for me. And then this packet actually has gifts from Dr. Anchal Jaiswal. Thank you, Anchal. And thank you for making time for my meet and greet despite your busy schedule. So I have an ozone complexion brightening treatment kit here, as well as one hand cream. You guys know the Sahara Desert could use some of this. Now someone else also got me a Charminar souvenir, because you guys know I love souvenirs from every place that I visit. But someone else dropped it by mistake and it broke, and my heart also broke. I was so sad. I was so heartbroken that it broke. Like, I was really sad. Moving on with the only thing I bought was from Karachi Bakery. I went to the oldest store. I could only go there because it was on the way from Taj Krishna to the airport. So I went to the oldest store and picked some stuff. So I got the fruit biscuits, as I told you guys already. And then I got double chocolate chip, because why not? Then I got chocolate chip for the days when I don't want double chocolate chip. Then I got walnut cookies because I love walnuts and they're healthy. So, and lastly I got this almond and hazelnut cookie bar, which looks delish. So with that, I finished my Hyderabad meet and greet unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I loved it. Like, I loved each and every gift from you guys. Mwah, love you. Thank you for all of the people for turning up. Ninu Nenu Premustananu. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly, but it just means I love you from the bottom of my heart. I added bottom of my heart. Anyways, I'm gonna see you guys super soon. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.